Okay, let's start with IELTS speaking part 2. Describe an important thing you learned not at school or college. So please you can start.
I think life is a full of learning. We start the learning the day on the born when start the learning process. I have many things learned in my life, but most important learning things cooking in my life. Recently, I decide I get a higher education to abroad, so I need to cooking on myself. My mother and my sisters are both good cooking in my house, so my cooking is very sick. I need to learn about the cooking. Then I feel through. Then I start the cooking different way, like YouTube channels. And first of all, learn processes start in my mother's, because my mother is a very good cooks in my home. So then I learn cooking step by step, so I feel relaxed, then mentally relaxed, because
Okay, thank you so much. Your main issue is grammar, especially sentence structure. The sentences you're making, there are several mistakes. Almost every second sentence has got mixed mistakes in it. And then you're mixing present and past tenses also. So I would advise you to learn basic tenses, then it's going to be fine. Okay, let's go on. We have speaking part 3. What do children learn from their parents?
I think children learn parents basic.
Children learn parents basic. It's not any sentence. You are just using words to communicate. So you should communicate in
I think.
sentences, okay? That is very important point for you, because if you don't make proper sentences, you will fall in very low band score. Now answer again. What do children learn from their parents?
I think children learn parents basic things like talking, walking, eating, and wear the dressing sense. Parents are most important teachers on children's, because the first of teacher. Children's first of teacher Parents first of teacher children's at a children's, because
Okay, thank you so much. You need to work hard with your basic English grammar, helping verb, sentence structure, then it's going to be fine, okay? Thank you.